Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. Today we will learn how to make these monogram leaves in Adobe Illustrator with help of pattern brush. So watch to the end of the video and don't forget to like the video. Select Ellipse tool and choose the stroke color to white. Now make an oval. Select Pen tool. Hold Alt key and click on this anchor. Select Direct Selection tool. Select two anchors and drag down to make a perfect leaf. Now select the object and swap the white color to fill. Hold Shift and rotate the leaf to left. Right-click and go to Transform. Click on Reflect, and choose Copy. Now we have two identical leaf overlapping. Adjust the leaf. Make sure you have selected Smart Guides in View panel. After adjusting leaves, select one of the leaf and create an outline by choosing any color. Increase the stroke as required. Go to Stroke window, and select Align Stroke to Outside. Go to Object, Path, and click on Outline Stroke. Now the stroke has filled. Select both shapes. Choose the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt key and drag over the outline. While plus sign appears, drag over the shape to make unite. Now hold Shift and rotate to right. Select Brush panel. And drag the object to Brushes. Select Pattern Brush and hit the OK. Select Ellipse tool and create a circle by holding Shift. Swap the fill color to stroke. Now apply the brush pattern on the circle. It's became different from what we want. Although it's not bad. But we want monogram leaf. For making it correct, double-click on pattern while a window appears. Now bring this scale slider to between 10 and 20%. Click on Apply to Strokes. We have applied the pattern on a circle, but we need to display the pattern like tree branch. For that purpose we will delete this circle and recreate a circle. Select an anchor with help of Direct Selection tool and delete it to make half-curved object. Select Scissors tool. And click on Center Anchor to divide the curve into two. Now while left curve is selected, apply pattern on it from Brushes panel. Increase the scale slider to make the leaves bigger. and hit on OK. And select Apply to Strokes. Now do it same on right curve. Go to Object, Path, and reverse path direction. Now make some gap between both branches and you are good to go. So this is the final result of the process. I hope you have this tutorial. Make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.